Advan GT Beyond R's for the Type R, hard R. All right, which one of you guys are gonna pull the trigger? You'll be one of the very first ones to roll or to rock one of these on your Type R, you guys. I think this machine diamond gonna look good on any color, you guys. So, it's sick. All right, guys, I'm putting the gloves on, and you know what that means. We're doing an unboxing, and this, I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this one, so let's get right into it. Advan GT Beyond R's. Let's go. So last year at Auto Salon, this was a very heavy favorite wheel at the show. I'm not supposed to be favoring this wheel. I'm supposed to be very biased and then just show you guys the differences, but this is a really very nice color, you guys. Very nice wheel, you guys. So they offered in 3 different colors for the Beyond R's. So the Beyond R is offered in machine diamond cut, and dark platinum black, and then racing titanium black. So the one we have here, actually, I don't even know what we got. Gerald just gave them to me. Okay, let me just see if you guys are in frame here. Okay. Brand new red out of the box, guys. Haven't even just landed. Haven't even opened it yet. We are the first. I like to bring you guys the first of everything. Let's get a little closer. Let's get a little closer. There. I don't even know yet. That's kind of. Oh, it's fresh, you guys. This is fresh. Oh, it even has the plastic on. Like this is new. Ready? Very nice. This is sick. Oh, I definitely have to have the gloves on this one. This is a sick wheel, you guys. Damn. So this one is machining and diamond cut. Oh man, you guys. When it's fresh like this, brand new, oh, it is so nice. Look at the machining. When I saw it in person in Japan, I didn't realize that it's actually painted black in here, in the inner spokes, in the lug nut bores, and in the center bore here. But just the detail here, you see how they went black, and then they left it machined. Very nice touch, you guys. Even the valve stem is painted black in here. But this diamond cut, oh, you guys. This is sick. So this one has the Naro, so the anti-slip. Same on both sides. They have all the stickers. The paint didn't go all the way in. It's a different type of finish on the inside. All the weight-saving cuts. It has the stamping of the Yokohama here. Made in Japan. 18 by 9.5 plus 45, or what is it, plus 15, 45? The size is on the side, on the box here. Right there. Yeah, plus 45. 18 by 9.5 plus 45. So this is a FL5 FK8 size, ready for to be shipped out. This is sick, you guys. Woo! This is a beautiful thumbnail right there, you guys. Woo! right there. And I would match it up. If you guys are running on an FL5 FK8, I would run the center caps. But I think this one, I don't think you can run center caps. But I'll leave it in the description below to let you guys know. I'll double check to see if you can run center caps. But oh, this is nice. All right, guys, so let's move on. But I do have one more unboxing. Unfortunately, I don't have all 3 colors. And this is a 9.5. We do have 10s coming, or actually 10s are in the bin. I just can't remember, but I'll let you guys know, or just give me or just message or DM. Yeah, this is sick, you guys. Yeah. All right, quick question for you guys. So this kind of came up in topic. We're talking about rubbing and perfect fitment. So is it considered rubbing if you're rubbing on the fender liner? And then we all know that it's considered rubbing if it's rubbing on the fender. So I was told it's not considered rubbing if it's just touching the fender liner. I thought just rubbing is rubbing. So if you go over a bump and you hit the fender liner and it makes that noise, that's considered rubbing. And someone told me that it's not. So let me know in the comments below, you guys. Let's clear this up. Is it rubbing, or is it considered rubbing if you're touching the fender liner? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. I'm pretty lucky. I have to admit, I'm pretty lucky to be able to unbox all these wheels like this, brand new. This one is Racing Titanium Black. Whew. You know, Advan always has like really nice colors when it comes to their dark colors. It's one of my favorites, you guys. Oh, woo. Sorry. This one is, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Racing Titanium Black. So nice, you guys. So I don't know if the camera can catch it, but you see all the sparkles. Like I said, for some reason, it just is so nice. Let me see if I can flip this. One hand, look at that, one hand, guys. There. Can you see the colors?
Very nice.
Woo-hoo. So nice. So unfortunately, I don't have the diamond cut and dark platinum black. Yeah, I don't have that. So I only have the machine and diamond cut, and of course, racing titanium black. So I don't have that to show you guys, but woof. But yeah. All right, this is hard to choose. Let me one hand this thing again. Look at that. Hard to choose. What would you do? Let me put both of them side by side. All right, so here's the side by side. Racing titanium black, machining diamond cut, and then just for comparison wise, I brought out a Beyond. And I'm not supposed to be biased or anything, but they look good, you guys. This was by far the most popular in Tokyo Auto Salon. Almost every car had it, you guys. Yeah, but this looks good too. So the main thing is just the lip is the main thing, you guys. So it shows is more pronounced on the machining diamond cut. You can actually see a lot more of the lip. And see here, there's a lot more concavity on the Beyonds because of the spokes, but the lip is not as much. See here. There's like one lip, one step, two step, three. Where this one, see, it's missing that one step here. It's just 1, 2. Here, 1, 2, and 3. Yeesh. And all of them have the knurling for anti-slip. More noticeable again. And these are all 9.5s, 18 by 9.5s, all FK8, FL5s. So if you want to be one of the very first, right now it's available, you guys. Hit up Invision Auto Imports or just DM me on my Instagram and we can set you guys up. They have all colors and 18 by 10s plus 40s in stock too. So ready to roll, you guys. This is a hard one. Woo. Let me know in the comments below which one is your guys' favorites. Which one would you choose? And let me know, should I ask Gerald if I should run a set of these this year, you guys, even though it's a hard one. I shouldn't forget those Type S boys. These would look sick on your guys' cars too. Sick. Be the first, let's do this. See you guys in the next week's vlog. See ya.